Hey friends, it's Neil with WindowEffects and Tint Masters. I'm going to show you how to solve a nightmare of a problem on some really hard commercial sweeps. So we got this job right here. Looks like your standard traditional sweep until you try to hook these things out of here. And they just do not come out. So that's when you know you got these really triple layer sweeps. And sure, you can cut right on the edge of it, but you're gonna have a light gap and it's not professional. So the way to get these out is I'm gonna hook down in here, get it all the way in, and then I'm gonna pull it straight up. But I don't wanna have to get this back in because I've already done windows. So I'm showing you that's how you get them out. And then you're gonna follow the rest of the video here, and I'm gonna show you how to put them in, how to cut them and trim them so you can get them back in so you can have the perfect cut. These are your normal tracks right here. So this little hole right here drops right into a track. This one right here on these does not drop into a track. These things are a nightmare. These things go in super easy. So I'm just gonna push it right down that track and it just lays right down in. Super easy. These ones right here are a nightmare. They're super hard to get out and they do not go back in the track. They do not go back in. The only way to get them in is to cut off this extra piece, this piece right here, the one on that side. You gotta cut that whole thing off the whole way down. All right, back here at it, this is the piece that I'm talking about. So I'm just getting my knife in there and running it right down on this edge right here and peeling that off. Now that we did that, now it's gonna be able to push right back down in that track. All right, if I didn't cut that thing off, there's no way you're pressing that in there. Now this track's super skinny, or not skinny, now that track fits in there perfectly. So now that we got that, all right, now we can just drop it right in there now. You're still gonna have to apply a little bit of pressure, but at least it goes in there. It's gonna go in there. This is the difference if you don't do it right. See, the person before couldn't get those back down in there, and there's how it should look. So, again, guys, these videos are here to help serve you so you don't have to go through the headaches that other people have to do. So make your learning curve faster. So that's what we do here at WindowEffects and Tint Masters. So subscribe to the channel for more great, helpful, professional hints that's gonna help you out.